Morning chat. Last day of snowboarding, and it looks like this.
Can I go down this in a snowboard?
You can try. So, snowing pretty heavily. The ground is usually just paved, of course, but we're gonna head up to the mountain. A fun day. Some of the gondolas are not running, which is expected, but fun day today for the last day. See you up there. Winter Wonderland.
I'll follow you. Alright, good hit. Good one. Good one. You suck. Fucked up my whole run. Man, fucked my shit up, man. Sweet. Oh, fuck. You good, though? We good, I got up. Don't trip. Woo! Anyone? I bet. Subdivision. Ow, wait. Hit that shit, hit the jump, jump! I'm good. Alright, jump or something. Can't see shit though. I tried hitting that.
What happened?
I tried hitting that.
Woo! You didn't even look at me! Oh my days!
You didn't say nothing. You didn't say nothing.
I had a penis jump. You were even looking at me. Oh my god!
You didn't say nothing.
Oh, I'm thinking. Oh, you just ride this? Let's call that, dude. Woo! You can't do that shit. I wish you can do that.
Sweet. Oh shit. Oh. I can't hit that. Where was that high? Here's what it is. Justin.
How did it jump through? How did I count that though? Somewhat 4. Wait. There you go. Maybe here? Oh shit. Oh, another bad one. Oh, and I had it too. Oh, I just didn't get up. This one. Somewhat.
Finished with the slopes, and now burgers. Just up there. Burgers. This shit looks good. They got the same thing.
Ketchup and sriracha, hot sauce.
But about to eat. I'll text y'all later.